This little pan phone called Carpentry Rules. This video is for me to say this pan phone in my native English, American English accent. And you can pause and look at all this data. Let's get to the original pan phone, which has all the 40 phonemes of American English in it. It's called Carpenter's Rule. Here it is in regular spelling, and I will read the phonetics, true spell phonetics. The Carpenter's helpful rule of thumb is measure twice and cut once. Thus, making assurance checks before you start out is primary. No one enjoys sawing boards twice. And that should help with English language learners for pronunciation. Here is some data on the phoneme count: 23 consonants of American English, 17 vowels. Here they are in order of frequency. And here are the double consonants showing stress on other than the first syllable. Here are the vowels. And some more data. Here are the 40 vowels count, 74 total consonants. And of interest is the phoneme per word is 4.22. And you have 35% vowels and 65% consonants. Each vowel is a syllable. So there are 40 syllables. And of these syllables, 3 indicated by a double consonant are stressed other than the first syllable, or a single syllable. So that's interesting data. So I hope you enjoyed this little pan phone about the Carpenter's Rule, and I hope this helps with American English pronunciation.